These are the playing 11 for the respective teams. They have run the first one quick. That is huge meal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this team. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. They're packed one side, making the batsmen go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery. Slips in place. That is 4. Time that to perfection. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Oh, that must have really hurt. He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. That was an absolute gift for the batsman, and he cashed in. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? That's into the gap. Should look for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets. There is a fielder at cover. That has made some serious damage. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. That's 6. He picked up the length very early. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. Wide ball signaled by the umpire. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
Oh, that was a seriously quick ball.
Slips in place.
Strokes it into the gap for a single. He has been ruthless against the fast bowlers in this series.
Plays and misses. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant.
Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way. Change in the bowling. Pacer being brought back. Deep point in place.
That's a nasty delivery. Must have hurt.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery.
Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
They would definitely have a score in their minds.
They are calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. It's nicely timed. We'll only get one though. He's calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
Inform fast bowler into the attack now. Expect some serious chin music.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
Oh, shot, but only a single. Here is a fielder at deep extra cover.
They have run the first one quick. That is outstanding fielding.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
That's into the gap. Should look for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
It will be interesting to see where the bowler will test the batsman with the short one.
They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for two.
That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
They should look at varying the pace a bit. It is getting too easy for the batsman. They are calling for two.
That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
Last ball of the innings coming up.
That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.